Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. So today the topic is why you should invest in VeChain, the future of supply chain and traceability. What is VeChain first of all? VeChain is a blockchain created to enhance the supply chain management and business processes. One of its best applications is to allow everyone, thanks to a QR code, to track the life of a product in order to have more information of its traceability. For example, here we will see the traceability of a Louis Vuitton bag. As you know, in China, many bags are counterfeit, so are fakes, and people are selling them and making lose many money to the big corporations like Louis Vuitton or Chanel or many big French famous brands. So how it works? First, VeChain puts a VeChain ID inside the bag, the famous bag. After this, it will be added, a block will be added into the blockchain so that the information will be locked and anyone will be able to modify this information. After this, when you scan the QR code of the bag, you will be able to see if it's a real or a fake bag, where has it been created, where has it been transported. You can also see, for example, the temperature of a wine bottle, the temperature of a product, for example, of a fruit or of a food product. There are many different things that VeChain can do. What are the tokens of VeChain? Why did I say that you should invest in VeChain? VeChain is based on two tokens: on VeChain, the VET, and on Vitor tokens, the VTHO. When you have VeChain, VET, you will also generate VTHO. So in which one you should invest? Me, for example, I have invested 80% and 20% of my money in both of them. For example, if you have a portfolio for this project of $2,000, I will put 80% of my money in VeChain and 20% of my money in VTHO. Why did I do this? Even if I know that VET would generate VTHO, I prefer, because of the low price of Vitor token, to have a little bit Vitor tokens, so that in case if it goes to 1 or to 2 cents, I will be happy. And regarding VET, as you can see, VET has the rank of 32 in the CoinMarketCap, so it's really interesting, and I think that it could easily reach $1. Why did I think that? Why do I believe that? First of all, as I said, it has a good position, a good rank in CoinMarketCap, so 32. It still has a low price, and all the people aren't aware of this, so it's a good point, because when you go out and you ask, for example, to your colleagues or to your friends, do you know VeChain? Not many people know this project, so it's a good sign. It's not like Bitcoin. When you say to someone, oh, do you know Bitcoin? He will tell you, yes, I know Bitcoin, but it's not a good point. VeChain and VET has a good potential in Asia, as many bags are counterfeit and many wine bottles and many other products will be used with VeChain, and VeChain has a good future and many partnerships and good partnerships in the world, as you can see in this picture. So we can see, for example, they have partners in the fashion system, in financial systems, in logistics, in telecom, in research, in many domains. So it's a good potential project for me, and I really believe VeChain and the VET token will be really easily to $1 or to $2. So if you invest now, you will have a good benefit, and you will not be disappointed by this project. Last point of this video is how to buy VET and VTHO. So you can use the famous crypto.com website, which makes you earn easily and fully $25 with our link in description. The inscription is really easy, and you have many advantages with Crypto.com. For example, you can receive a bank card with this platform, and you have many other benefits that I will detail in the other video. Like for example, when you buy Spotify, you will receive refunds for this in Crow token, because Crypto.com is as Binance with its BNB token. Crypto.com has its own token, which is the Crow coin, sorry. And this token is really low, and I really suggest you to invest also in this token, because the Crow coin has a big potential. It's actually in the 20th rank in the coin market cap, so it has a good potential, but I will detail this in another video. And I really hope that, not hope only, but think that Crow can be in the server list, the future of BNB, because most of the people are afraid of the Binance user interface. But with the Crypto.com, it has a really simple user interface that anyone can easily understand, and it's also doing a link between the real world with the Visa cards and with the crypto world with the cryptocurrencies, which is sometimes dark for many people. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the topic. So it was VeChain for this video, and I hope that you're truly understanding what is the real potential of VIT and VTHO tokens for the future. Thank you for watching. So do not hesitate to contact me if you have questions, or if you feel bad, it's okay, no problem. I like to talk. So thank you very much. Have a nice day, and take care of you. Bye bye.